What's up, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and today was the best day that I have ever had in the stock market. My portfolio as a whole is up 44% today alone. Not one stock and not over a time period. Today alone, my entire portfolio went up 44%. This is the best day I have ever had in the stock market in terms of a percentage, and I want to share it with you. So I don't have anything prepared. I'm just going to walk you through my entire Questrade account, my order executions, my current holdings, and the different industries that I am looking at. This is not prepared. I'm just going to show you everything because today absolutely blew me away and I can't believe it. So here's what my basically screen looks like right now. I'm going to pull up my account. Now I'm going to block out and hide the account numbers in here because somebody keeps trying to hack me. So if that's you, if you could please stop trying to hack me, I would sincerely appreciate it. I'm trying to make everybody some money here. And so if you're interested in making money and following along with these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button and stop trying to hack me. I'd really appreciate that. So anyways, here is my account right now. As you can see, my holdings and asset allocation is currently valued at $5,034.55. Now I started my small account challenge a few months ago, back in September or August, with $1,000, and it has now grown to $5,000. If you want to see any of those videos, definitely check out my account. It is really cool. Now let's just sort this a little bit by portfolio size. So as you can see, my two largest holdings right now are exponentially large compared to everything else. It wasn't like that on Thursday and Friday, but they've gone up so much that now both of these positions make up about 60% of my portfolio. So what I did was I bought options in Blink Charging and ChargePoint Energy, SBE and BLNK. That's what you see right here. And I bought them for March 2021 at $25 on Blink and May 2021 at $30 on ChargePoint Energy. And I think that both of those stocks are above that level right now. If we go here, SBE or ChargePoint Energy is at 37 and BLNK is at 38. So both of my options are in the money like 2 trading days after I purchased them, and they were far out of the money when I purchased them. So this is absolutely amazing. And what's really cool here is that I actually had options in both of these companies like a month ago, and they went up by so much that they took up too much of my portfolio. So I actually sold those. I bought these options at a much cheaper price, and I diversified my portfolio into graphene and drone stocks. So that is why I'm holding so many positions right here. It is because Blink and ChargePoint Energy, I've already paid for all of these ones with the profits, and now they're generating even more profits for me, which is absolutely phenomenal. So these are all of my positions. I'm holding electric vehicle companies, magic mushroom companies, drone companies, and food alternative companies. So what I mean by that is I'm holding meat, which is basically a meat alternative company. Same thing with Very Good Butchers, as well as TAT. That is basically it's like the Beyond Meat of tobacco. So it's cigarettes with no nicotine, no tobacco. I actually kind of got into them late last week because I had so much profits from Blink and ChargePoint. So my portfolio is fairly diversified right now compared to where it usually is. And I might clean this out to just the winners here over the next few months. So I might trim this down a little bit, but as of right now, I'm super happy with it. And Blink and ChargePoint have just had an amazing run. So here is my orders. I have no open orders right now. And you can see I didn't even make any orders today. I'm going to go to today. No orders today, no executions today. Executions over the last 90 days. Here's everything you need to know. So if you want to, I'll show you the last 60 days because that's where most of it is. So this is the last 60 days of swing trading. If you want to do any of the math, you can pause the video right here. And as you can see, these are all of my positions. I'm up over $800 on both ChargePoint and Blink, and I bought those back on Thursday. I actually made a video about that, so if you want to see the video, it is on my YouTube channel, so definitely take a look. And if you guys are interested in how I find any of these stocks or my analysis behind any of these stocks, definitely consider joining my Discord chat. It is $5 per month, and I'm trying to build a community of traders that want to share their analysis, share their resources, share their trading ideas, and try and grow as a group. And so what it is a giant group chat. I post all of my technical analysis, some of my trades, and a lot of my positions in that group chat. I encourage everybody else to do the same. And the idea here is that we can share our trading ideas, our trading resources, and the strategies that are working for us. So if you're interested in joining that community, it is only $5 per month. The link is down below in the description, or you can click that little join button next to the subscribe. I would love to have you there. Now let's get back to Questrade here. As you can see, there's no orders. I didn't make anything today. I'm actually gonna just hold everything and kind of see how it goes because everything is up absolutely huge. I'm only down on two positions right now, and they're $2.60 and they're 27 cents on two graphene companies that I literally bought into at the end of last week. So everything in my portfolio is doing phenomenally well, and I also mention all of these stocks in my Discord chat as well. So kind of cool, but let's get into the industries that I'm looking at right now. So the first one here is electric vehicles, and like this is the talk of the town, the skyrocketing industry right now. Everybody is focused on electric vehicles, and here is why. You will never see numbers like this again. Like I am blown away. If you look at Blink Charging right now, they are up 67% on the day, and I got so lucky that I had call options in them. I'm gonna do extremely well on them, but usually you very rarely see a company the size of Blink Charging go up by 67%, or ChargePoint Energy up by 44%. That is absolutely amazing. We also have the rest of the industry going up. If you look at NIO, it's up 15, Workhorse is up by 12, and I've posted this chart in my Discord chat like 5 times this week. The only reason I haven't bought in is because I already have so much exposure to the EV market, but this one is a swing trade that several people in the Discord chat have actually picked up on, and I definitely pointed it out, and I'm glad that they're making money on it. I'm glad everybody's making money this week. We also have Tesla that broke out to its all-time high. As you can see here, it is literally sitting at its all-time high right now. It is breaking the previous resistance set in September. Everything is skyrocketing right now in electric vehicles, and that is the industry that you want to be in. If you can choose one right now, that is it. Now, who knows how long this is going to continue? Maybe it dies out tomorrow. Maybe I take a big hit tomorrow. That is definitely a card that can be dealt to me, and so if that happens, I'm going to manage my risk. I'm going to trim my positions, and if it keeps going up, I'm going to set a stop loss, a trailing stop loss, so that it basically follows the trades. And so that's how I'm going to manage my risk. Now, the other industry that I am super excited about right now is the mushroom industry. Now, it doesn't put up quite the same numbers that we just saw in electric vehicles, but still, this is the entire industry going up. So Mind Medicine up 23% today. Trip up 6% today. That's Red Light Hauling Group out of the Netherlands. We have Revive Therapeutics up 10% today. We have Shroom up 12%. That's Champignon Brands. We also have Compass Pathways up 5.5%. Like, the entire industry went up today, which is absolutely amazing. The only company that went down, and maybe they're in a slightly different industry, but it was Dan Bilzerian's company. His company went down by 5% today, and they are down pretty big since their high of about $2 back in July, August of last year. They're down to 46 cents, so they're trading at like 25% of what they're worth. Dan, your company sucks. This is a terrible stock. You should not buy Bilzerian. I literally just follow it for the entertainment value. Now, the last industry that I want to point out to you that I am also involved in is the graphene industry. If you don't know enough about graphene, or you don't know what I'm talking about when I say that, definitely YouTube just the word Graphene. It is an absolutely amazing substance that won a Nobel Prize in 2010. It was discovered in 2004, and it is now just finally being commercialized, and it's going to change a lot of industries. And so if you don't know what graphene is, definitely take a look into it. I also made a video about it just recently, but all my graphene stocks, most of them are doing well. Both Canadian graphene stocks are up 9% and 3.5%. We also have this company right here, First Graphene. I think they're based in the United States. They're up 28%. So there's huge movement in the graphene industry. There's big movement in the mushroom industry. EVs are definitely the focus. And then the last one, I just got to bring it up because it's probably my favorite. Like, it's the most exciting to me, the one that gets me going the most. Oh my God, why can't I open this? Okay, and it is the drone industry. And so there are 4 companies that I'm watching right now. Number 1 is Egg Eagle. These guys have had a nice little push up the last few days. I'm hoping we break through resistance right here. The second one is Flight. Now, this is a Canadian company that I actually like. Their business model is like the greatest thing you've ever seen. I really like it. Michael Zara, the CEO there, is doing a fantastic job. However, the stock has been not performing very well over the last 2 years, you could say. But if you draw a trend line from 2 years ago to basically the little peak that we had a couple months ago, you can see that the stock is about to cross this like 2-year-long trend line. And this is what I've been waiting for. We also have significantly higher volume today. We have a crossover of the MACD. We pretty much have a new trend line forming right here. And so what I am looking for is a clean little breakout for Drone Delivery Canada right here. And I'm going to add to my position in that case. And I'm going to ride this all the way out to about $1.75, $2. And then we're going to evaluate it from there. But I am expecting big things from this company, and I'm calling it right now. Zach Hartley says that this is a turnaround. If it drops all the way down to 50 cents, then I'm just gonna delete this video. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna delete the video, but I'm calling the turnaround right now. I think Drone Delivery Canada is about to make some moves, so I really like their company. The other two companies, one is an Asian company, Ehang. They have a really cool product. I think they just did a really exciting test run. I believe it was in Singapore. You'll have to double check that. And then the last one here is Aero Environmental Inc. They're also approaching an all-time high here, and I am about to take a position in them if we see a clean breakout through this all-time high. And that's it. This is how I do my analysis. This is everything I've got. This is my account right now. If you want to see the other trades, how I took it from $1,000 to $5,000 right here in just a matter of 3 months, then definitely check out the videos on my channel. And if you're interested in learning about how the stock market works, how to trade the market, and how to get started, definitely check out my course on Skillshare. It is hosted there. It is completely free for your first 2 weeks. You put in your card, and then it costs about $12 per month. But if you can do my 8-hour course in under 2 weeks, you get the entire thing completely free. There's over 600 students that have gone through it. There's over 30 reviews, and there is a ton of resources there. If you are new to the market, just getting started out, or you need to refine your strategy, I promise you it is going to be the greatest free resource you have ever found in your life. All the strategies are in there for how I took this account from 1,000 to 5,000, and everything I know, everything I can think of has been put into a video and posted into that course. So there's a ton of value in there, and if you guys get any value out of the transparency and the honesty in this video, I would sincerely appreciate a like, a comment, and a subscribe. If you're interested in joining my Discord chat, check out the links down below or click that join button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate all of your time. Thank you.